Greetings and good morning, everyone, on this Friday morning. It's been such a blissful 4 days of absolute quietness, self-reflection, and stretching the mind beyond its limited belief patterns. And being here in the Drakensberg, the beautiful cascading effect of the mountains brings such a strength within. And with this new realization that was deepened over the last few days, I would love to share with you practical tools that can take you to your own higher self, clearing out old limiting patterns within the mind, and really start living a life in your true purpose. Why are you really here? Why do we go through the pain and suffering of the mind and body? And if we can harness the strength of the mind, that's the game changer to life. So I'd like you to take a minute to absorb the strength of the beautiful mountains, being away from our normal setting of life to look at life through new eyes. So take a minute now and just absorb the powerful energies of the mountains. Thank you very much for joining me. And all it really takes is a moment of silence to have an awakening. So I'd love to connect with you. Have a fantastic Friday. Be safe and keep the thoughts above the limited thinking. Bye for now.